Very okay.
Welcome to my channel, very okay. Let's make our recipe for today, which is green banana. Yes, green banana, it's a superfood, may provide some additional nutrients and benefits that yellow bananas do not. They are rich in resistant starch and pectin and help lower blood sugar levels. Yes, you can do more research on Google. You can make many recipes, very healthy, including green bananas. Yes, you can make muffins, you can make beans, you can make soup, you can make a lot of things. I'm gonna provide some recipes with green banana in this channel. But first, I would like to ask you to subscribe, thumbs up, and this will help me to grow my channel. But before start, I have a special message for you. The Ultimate Craft Design Organoid course. I will guide you to discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems, and with this knowledge you can go beyond. Okay, after my special message, very okay, let's make our banana. Delicious food, only here, very okay. So here I separate some bananas. It's super easy to make, okay? Just be careful when you cut. Of course that if your banana is super green, it's better. I found this one here, which is green but not super green, but it's okay, I can make this one. So after cut this banana, you can feel the texture. And now we're gonna wash the bananas. Yes, there's no secrets to wash, it's simple, okay? You have to wash very well. Okay, and now I'm gonna add my bananas. I'm gonna prepare in a pressure cooker. That's why the water needs to be hot, because we're gonna give a thermic shock. So here, this is my banana. I'm gonna add my bananas. You can use this tool. And now, because the water is hot, okay, so I'm gonna use my pressure cooker. The heat needs to be medium temperature, okay, not too hot. I'm gonna adjust here. When the pressure starts, I'm gonna leave for 8 minutes. Okay, after I set my alarm for 8 minutes, I'm gonna turn off the heat. Do not open, okay? Naturally, will evaporate and you have to wait. Okay, I just wait for about 1 hour. After waiting for 1 hour, okay. And now I'm gonna open, it's safe, okay? It's still hot here, as you can see. And the skin is open, but no worries, it's okay. Just be careful because it's hot. And now I'm gonna separate my bananas. I'm gonna separate the skin. And slice some pieces of banana. So I'm gonna blend all my bananas here with this device. All bananas, you have to do the same process. It's gonna be like a mashed banana. I'm gonna use the blender processor. Yes, now looks like a mashed potatoes, but it's a mashed bananas. Look the texture. And you don't taste the banana, okay? Because it's green banana and it's a superfood. There's a lot of nutrients, vitamins. So I'm gonna separate my bananas. You can separate in ice cubes. You can leave in the freezer for 3 months. And every time that you're gonna prepare, you can use a cube of banana to prepare your soup, your beans, and much more. And it's super easy to make recipes with green banana. And there's no banana taste. For example, if I'm gonna make beans, I will add some banana. For example, I'm gonna add here a big spoon with a good amount of green banana, and this is super good because it's a superfood. There's a lot of vitamins. It's very good for your immune system. Yes, green banana, it's super good. And I'm gonna show more recipes that you can make with green bananas. Look how I made with my green banana. A delicious chocolate cake with my green bananas. For example, my banana was frozen, I had to melt in a pan with a little bit of water, and after melted, I wait for cool down, and then you can add in your recipes. and it's super easy. Your cake will be very delicious with a lot of vitamins, and this is good for kids. This is very good for your immune system. I really recommend green bananas. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Very okay. Please subscribe.